Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to add the weather widget to the home page of the Comet web browser. So, without further ado, let's get started. On the home page, click the Customize option. From here, look for the weather widget. Click the plus icon next to it to add it to your home page. Once you've added it, click Done to save your changes. If you'd like to customize the weather widget, hover your mouse over it until you see the 3 dots in the corner. Here you can choose how you want the weather to be displayed. For example, you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and you can choose whether to use your device's precise location for more accurate weather information. After making your changes, click Done to apply them. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot. Take care. Bye.